Good afternoon, dear. Today we are going to discuss about resources. In earlier lecture, we have discussed here through the notes about classification of resources. Now today I want to discuss with in this lecture classification of resources. What are the resources first? Resources are the things which satisfy us, their values, utility. And values means their values, economical value. And suppose like this is the book, it is the resources, have economical value. Mobile is a resources, have economical value. Laptop is a resource, economical value. And some resources are natural, some are human resources like we are resources, and we convert natural resources with the help of technology, industries, manufacturing into the valuable product. Without human resource, production can't possible. We can take the help of machine, but human resources always required. Like take the example of cotton, it is natural resources. By help of manufacturing, change into the shirt you are studying class 7, it is resources. In this lecture, we will discuss about classification of resources. Here, some resources are natural. It will take time for renew, time is required for formation of resources. Technology is required for resources. Today, let's start classification of resources. You know, dear, natural resources, human made resources, these are the three categories of the resources. Natural, which obtained from the nature, like mountain, waterfall, forest, soil. These are the natural resources gifted by nature. Some maybe doesn't have economical value, like a mountain, gardens, forest are too much beautiful, but they play important role in our lives. How to reduce the pollution from air? Forest play important role. Mountain play important role in our ecosystem. These are the natural. Human-made resources like made by the human, that is known as the human-made, like a mobile, book, water bottle, laptop, television. These are the human-made resources. Car, truck, like this. Classification of resources are into four categories. These are classified into four categories. First one, on the basis of level of development and use. We are using in present or not. Yeah. Or we may be used in future. This is known as the level of development and use. First category of resources, classification of resources, level of development and use. These are classified into two categories. On the basis of level of development, resources are classified into two categories, actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources means what? In quantity we know and we are using in present like this. That is known as the actual resources. And potential resources are such resources whom quantity may be not known, and due to the lack of technology we may be used in futures. That is known as the potential resources. On the basis of level of development, resources are classified into two categories. Actual in quantity we know we are using in present, like a coal mines we are using in present. In your Chittorgarh limestone mines we are using in present. That is known as the actual resources. Potential we may be used in futures due to the lack of technology, like a uranium deposit inside Ladakh. Today we are not using, we don't know about their quantity maybe, and we will use in future. This category is known as the level of development and or use. Use means we are using in present or not. So this is the first category of resources, classification of resources on the basis of level of development. Second category here about on the basis of origin. These are very simple. Origin based means like a abiotic resources. Biotic resources are living like a plant, animal. These are the biotic resources. Abiotic resources, non-living like a soil, plateau, mountain. These are the non-living resources. Some may be common and these are known as the abiotic resources. So these two categories we have discussed in this lecture: level of development and use, another one origin. Third category on the basis of stock we'll discuss. Fourth category on the basis of distribution we'll discuss. Okay dear, now our next classification of resources on the basis of stock and on the basis of distribution, where they are distributed. On the basis of stock are limited or unlimited. These are classified into two categories. On the basis of stock, first one is the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. On the basis of stock, renewable resources, those stock are unlimited and these are considered renewable resources like a solar energy, windmill, like. Non-renewable, after their use, such resources are limited and may be exhausted in future. खत्म हो सकते हैं. That is known as the non-renewable, like a coal, like this. On the basis of distribution, resources are classified into two categories. On the basis of distribution, where they are distributed, where are they located? First one is localized, second one is the ubiquitous. Ubiquitous is a difficult word, but such resources ubiquitous which are found everywhere. हर जगह जो मिलते हैं ubiquitous resources. Like air is present everywhere which we breathe, जिससे हम सांस लेते हैं. That is known as the ubiquitous resources which are found everywhere. Distribution. Second category is localized, which are found at certain place. Which are found at the certain place. These are considered localized resources like copper, silver, gold, iron. These are the resources. So dear, today we have discussed classification of resources. There are four classification of resources. First classification of resources on the basis of level of development or use, actual and potential. Second, on the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic. Third, on the basis of stock, renewable, non-renewable. And fourth, on the basis of distribution, ubiquitous and localized. These are the classification of resources here. Our next lecture tomorrow so we will discuss about the human resources. Have a good day, dear. If you have any doubt, you may be discuss on WhatsApp and Zoom meeting.